gentlemen, I'm back. I've now put on a top water whopper plopper. Green with gold belly. Let's see what we get on this. Here we go. Alright. I've already got higher expectations. What these whopper ploppers. My neighbor, a good friend of mine, introduced me to them. I'd never used one until he told me about them and gave me one. Had nothing but good success with them, so I ordered a bunch of them. Believe it or not, it's another Temu order I got them off of. I got like 10 of them for, I don't know, 10 bucks. Let's see. Where they hiding at? Keep me some, what do you call a bite stick in my tackle box. Damn, this little pond trip started off good. Caught one on the first cast. A couple bites after that and I ain't seen nothing since. Maybe they got stage fright. Alright, here we go, this is the one. Here, fishy. Fishy, in this brook. Come and bite my little hook. I ain't gonna keep you. Put you back. And bring my lightweight rod so I can throw a small beetle spin. I think I got a 1/4 ounce beetle spin I can put on this rod and cast it. A little bit bigger, but maybe something hit it. Alright, let's go to where we started at. Maybe they're still hiding over here in the shallows. Now forgive me for the camera tilting up and down so much. I keep having to look down at my feet because them ants lit my ankles up. Gotta keep looking down, make sure there ain't ants on me still. Walk down here in the edge of the water. The wet stuff. Make sure I don't step in them again. It's so hot out here today. Let's see. It says it's 28 Celsius, whatever that is. Temperature out here today. We've got about 90. I can't remember the math for it. They've recently put some dye in this water. I don't know if it's just dye or if it's an algaecide, but I've never seen too much algae in these ponds. Not much grass growth. I don't think there's any carp in here. I haven't seen any evidence of them. I just don't understand. Alright, just had a phone call. I'll be back in just a second.